Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Let me show you how you can fix your PC lag for your Windows 10 or your Windows 11. Now don't forget to hit that like and subscribe and hit the notification bell so you're updated whenever we upload a new video. Stick until the very end so you don't miss a single detail. Now the first thing that we will do is we will go ahead and open up our settings right here. So all you need to do is to go ahead and search this in your start menu and then look for settings, and then you should be able to see something like this. Now the next thing is we're going to go into privacy right here. Now all of these are settings that you can go ahead and turn off, and this should reduce all of your PC from lagging. So say for example, if we go into general right here, make sure that all of these are turned off. If you go into speech, that should be turned off as well. Inking and typing personalization, those are turned off. Diagnostics and feedbacks, go ahead and turn these off. And location, go ahead, turn that off. Don't turn off your camera and your microphone, otherwise you won't be able to access these. Go ahead and turn off notifications right here. Account info, you can go ahead and turn off as well. The calendar, just go ahead and turn those off. Your phone calls, go ahead and turn those off. Email, your tasks, your messaging, your radios, other devices, background apps, app diagnostics, just go ahead and turn all of these off. File systems, you can go ahead and turn this off as well. And the next thing is you need to go ahead and restart your PC. Now once that you have done all of this, this should give you the solution to be able to fix your lag on your PC. Hope that you have found this tutorial useful. See you guys next time.